In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome IP address not found. This error usually means Chrome is having trouble translating a web address into the numeric IP address it needs to reach the site. The fastest, most reliable fix is to tell Chrome to use a trusted DNS service directly inside its settings. DNS stands for Domain Name System, and choosing a dependable provider often clears up these lookup issues and gets you back online. Start by opening Google Chrome and looking to the top right corner of the window. Click the three-dot menu to open Chrome's main menu. From there, select Settings. This opens a new tab where all of Chrome's preferences are organized. On the left side of the Settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section controls how Chrome handles safety, site permissions, and network protections. Next, click Security on the main panel. You're heading to the area where Chrome manages safe browsing and DNS options. Scroll down until you reach the Advanced section. Here, you'll find the DNS settings that affect how Chrome looks up website addresses. Look for the option labeled Select DNS Provider. Beside it, click the drop-down menu to show the available services. Chrome may show several choices, but the most reliable options are Google Public DNS and Cloudflare, also known as 1.1.1.1. Both are fast and widely trusted. Google Public DNS is known for speed and stability, and Cloudflare emphasizes privacy while also being very fast. Either choice is excellent for resolving the IP address not found error in most cases. After choosing your preferred DNS provider, you're done with the configuration. Close the Settings tab to keep your browser uncluttered. Then restart Google Chrome to make sure the change fully applies. The quickest way is to close all Chrome windows and open it again. Once Chrome is back up, try visiting the website that gave you the error. In many cases, pages will load immediately because Chrome is now using a dependable DNS service to find their IP addresses. A couple of quick notes as you test. If your browser is managed by an organization, some options might be locked, and you may need to check with your administrator. And if the error persists on every website, the issue may be outside Chrome, such as with your router or internet provider. But for most users, this DNS adjustment fixes the problem. That's it. You've configured Chrome to use a reliable DNS provider, a simple change that often restores access and speeds up lookups.